Number 5. Number 4.
The Centipede Support XL supports sheet materials for cuts and acts as a versatile, oversized workbench that can be set up virtually anywhere and stows away into the smallest places.
Number 3.
Time spent on decks should be a time of peace and relaxation, not time spent looking at all the problems. Warped boards, split ends, and nails or screws popping up. Traditional built decks, constructed with nails or screws driven through the face of the board, cause not only eyesores, but they can be dangerous as well. Now the Craig Deck Jig system puts a brand new angle on an old approach to building decks. Utilizing tools and basic skills that you already have, this concealed fastener system allows you to build a beautiful, long-lasting deck you have always wanted. Combining the strength and durability of face screwing with proven pocket hole technology to hide the fasteners, this system is the perfect 1-2 punch for a deck that is simple to build, gorgeous, and safe. The core of the Craig Deck Jig system is its solid metal drill guides, which allow you to drill holes and drive screws at the precise angle and perfect depth time after time. The angle of the guides not only hide the screws on the edge of the board, but are optimal for maximum holding power, while the screw depth is precisely controlled, which eliminates overdriving and blowing out the board, or underdriving, leaving exposed fasteners and loose boards. This process is made fast and worry-free by the included depth collars on both the driver bit and drill bit that are set using the gauges molded right on the jig. Once set, just drill the hole, load the screw, and drive it home. The Craig Deck Jig is equipped with 3 drill guides, a center guide, and 2 angle guides. Using the center guide in the center of the joist allows for the most holding power, while the angle guides provide you flexibility by going where the center guide cannot, such as spliced or obstructed ends. The fasteners themselves are specifically designed for use with the Craig Deck Jig, featuring a deep KTX square drive that gives you solid driver engagement, which means no cam outs, self-tapping tip for fast, easy driving, and they are built from case-hardened steel to eliminate bending or breaking. These screws can also be used as face screws for a variety of outdoor projects. Available in Protect coat and stainless steel finishes. Choose which one is right for your application. The Craig Deck Jig system does not stop there. The kit comes with sample screws, an instructional DVD, and spacer rings. These 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch spacer rings allow you to maintain consistent spacing on your deck boards, which not only gives your deck a better overall appearance, but more importantly, allows for proper air movement, which reduces moisture buildup, making for a longer lasting deck. The system is light, built for rugged use, and comes with a lifetime guarantee. Rubber feet on the bottom of the jig prevents slipping while drilling and driving, and the oversized handle provides a comfort grip, keeping your hands away from the action. The Craig Deck Jig system works with a variety of easy-to-buy materials you are already familiar with. Composites and exotic hardwoods between 3/4 inch and 5/4 inch can all be adding charm to your deck. Whether you are building a deck from scratch or giving your existing deck a facelift, there has never been an easier, more economical way to have the beautiful, long-lasting deck you've always wanted with concealed fasteners. Learn more online at craigtool.com or visit your local Craig dealer today.
Number 2.
Microjig's Dado Stop is more than just a great crosscut stop. It quickly clamps to virtually any rib fence using the match-fit dovetail clamp, and allows users to cut very accurate dados using a standard blade without a lot of setup or test cuts. One of the adjustable legs is set to account for the blade thickness, while the second sets the dado width using the material that will actually be fitted. The legs set the shoulders of the dado cuts, then the waist is removed from between the shoulders as needed. Because the Dado Stop uses the material that will be actually fitted, highly accurate results are obtained without the need for measuring or test cuts.
Micro Jig. Work safer. Work smarter.
Number 1.
Finish more projects with less. Lose the hose, the compressor, and gas cartridges. You don't need them. Experience total fastening freedom, brought to you by the Pro Preferred brand of nailers with Hitachi's line of 18-volt lithium-ion cordless nailers. They're powered by Hitachi's new compact 3 amp-hour battery that delivers all the power you need with half the weight you'd expect. And the compact 3 amp-hour batteries are compatible with all Hitachi 18-volt slide-type lithium-ion power tools for even more flexibility. These cordless nailers implement Hitachi's unique air spring drive system. They use permanently sealed compressed air to drive each nail. Their highly efficient brushless motor increases runtime and prolongs the life of the tool. Tool-free features like depth of drive, sequential or bump fire modes, and an integrated belt hook make these Hitachi cordless finish nailers convenient to use. Hitachi's 18-volt lithium-ion cordless nailers shoot more nails per charge, deliver quick response time in between drives, and consistently set nails flush, even at an angle. They're backed by Hitachi's lifetime lithium-ion tool warranty for ultimate peace of mind.